Under the Assist Patrons tab, this is where you search for accounts as well as create new ones for patrons. The top search box is for searching through S numbers, and the bottom one is where you can search for patrons by name or by their address. So you want to capitalize the S number and then put in search, and then it pulls up their account. So here you can see if anything is checked out to them. You can see when it was checked out, when it is due back, and if they want to renew, you press renew. If they want a receipt, you print it, change the due date, all through right here. In the accounts, you can also see if they have any holds that they placed. You can also see their bills and their profile if you need to make any changes to it. To make a new account, the best way I find is to just type in any letter in the bottom search area. It'll pull up a bunch of accounts, but what you really want to focus on is this tab right here, the Create New Patron. Click on that, and then once they have the form filled out and you verify it with their ID, then you can fill out this whole form right here. And then once you're all finished, you could create right here. In the checkout tab, you want to make sure that this box right here is highlighted, because if it's not, it won't pick up the item barcode. So here's an example. The barcode is in there, check it in, and it shows up down here. For any items that you find throughout the library that you're not necessarily sure if they're checked out or not, you want to switch over to non-loan return, and that just keeps track of the item. Under the Discover Items tab, this is how you pull up the details of any item. And if you don't have the barcode, then you can always search for the item down here. But I have the barcode, so here we go. So at the top, it shows the title, the status of it, where it is, the shelving location, as well as the call number, barcode, cost, what have you. The main thing as a student worker that you're going to do through here is edit the item. The only thing that you will be editing is the stacking location. Other than that, you're not going to be changing anything else in here. So once you've changed anything, you save the item right here. Successfully saved. Also, what you can do in here, if you find the book that you search for, you can place a hold on it right here, but I already did, so you can't do that. Under the Reports tab, you're going to only have to worry about one, and that's the pull list right here. So every time you come on shift, or every time you leave your shift, or you're closing or opening the library, you want to check the pull list. Pretty much this shows any items that have been placed on hold by patrons, and pretty much what you want to do is go and pull them, essentially, by their call number. Once you've pulled it, you'll scan it in through the check-in tab, and then when you refresh it, they will be gone.